Hi, I'm back in my normal spot in the woods. It's December and apparently, according to the weather report, it's supposed to be wet, windy, snowing today. Snow up north, rain in the south. Well, it's definitely raining. The annoying thing is, they said it would be late this afternoon. Well, it's not even lunchtime and I am soaked. So I've never been out in the rain in these woods. And last time I checked, it was, before I left home, it was about 2 degrees when I left. I've got a thermometer on my watch and it says -1, which I don't think it is. So, as I'm wet and as my bag is wet and all my stuff is wet, I'm going to try and make a fire in the rain. It's about 2 degrees, freezing my thingy off. So bear with me and I'll see what I can do. I can't remember what I was about to say. So yeah, well, just bear with me. Because it's wet and sometimes windy, I'm going to sort of cheat with this fire. Only because it's wet. So bear with me and I'll see what I can do. Actually, I'll take you with me. What I'm after is small bits of wood. So, what I'll do, I'll put my gloves back on and I'll take it from there. Sorry for the bad filming. I'm trying to put my gloves back on because it's cold and wet out here. Alright, let's see what I can do. Not quite sure how long this video is going to be, because I don't think my phone is waterproof, to be quite honest with you. So I don't think I'll be able to film very long, to be honest. I may not be able to even actually film me doing this, depending on how well it gets. So like I said, guys, just bear with me as I'm taking you guys with me. Even though it's supposed to be 2 degrees, it doesn't feel like it, to be honest. Yeah, I've been in colder weather. Alright. The only thing I don't have is big logs. But the aim of this video is to actually make fire I say 2 degrees. 2 degree weather, windy kind of, and wet, which it definitely is. So I think that's what my goal is. And my goal is not to make a massive big bonfire and burn the whole woods down. my goal is to see whether I can actually make fire and keep it alight. I don't know whether I said this in previous videos, my fire making skills, unless it's in my back garden, is kind of crap. So doing it out here, where it's not a controlled environment, it's kind of difficult. Bear with me. Yeah, that could be quite a good stick to use. Alright. Right, here we go. So I'll try and make it as quick as possible. Like I said, I won't be able to film long, and my phone's not waterproof. But if you're following me on Instagram, obviously I'll take pictures and then I'll post it on my Instagram. But that mud bit there is where I'm going to put my fire. So if you're following me on Instagram, which if you type in KD Rawlins, I'll show you pictures. Because like I said, my phone's not waterproof, and it's not pissing it down, but it is raining. So we'll see what we can do. Like I said, obviously I'm going to cheat. When it comes to survival, it's surviving any scenario, but also you got to do what's easier for you. Yeah, sometimes you got to cheat. It's what's making life easier for you, not what's easier for anyone else. Also, sorry for the poor quality of filming. Right, what I have to sort of do, I can keep on the log. What I have to do. Right. Stuff I need. expert. I'm not an expert, by all means. Yeah, I'm not an expert by all means. So, everybody. I was an expert. I'm going to do fire by now. Sometimes you've got to cheat. Sometimes you've got to cheat. Safe and wet. It's cold. I'll tell you what. I'll do what's easy for you. Everything out here is safe and wet. It's safe and wet out here. So this doesn't fire up.